One of the biggest pain points of water purifiers are the costs and the uncertainty around filter replacement. Thankfully, that is changing in recent years with brands like Urban Company, which give a commitment of 2 years filter life with unconditional warranty. Let's understand more about this throughout this video. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that Urban Company gave me access to the product to test. But like always, the reviews, the pros and cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. In my video where I compared various different water purifiers, I covered about how some brands are now offering 2-year filter life. Urban Company offers more predictability in filter replacement costs and warranty. Generally, water purifiers have a filter life of 6,000 liters, which is approximately 1 year if 16 liters of water is consumed per day. This is now changing. All Urban Company native water purifiers have a longer filter life, up to 2 years, and an unconditional warranty of 2 years. So what does the unconditional 2-year filter life mean? There is no limit on the amount of water used and no limit on the max TDS that it can be used for, although they've tested it up to 1500 ppm. And what does the 2-year unconditional warranty mean? There is no extra service charge or charges on spare part changes for 2 years. And what's more, with Urban Company, there is no uncertainty about filter costs. Every time you change the filters, which costs around 5,000 for all the filters, the 2-year filter life and 2-year unconditional warranty is extended by another 2 years with the native RO. Next, let's discuss the heart of the water purifier, its filtration. This native M0 RO water purifier has an 8-step filtration process. Compared to the M1 and M2, the native M0 is missing the alkaline module, which is typically used to regulate pH levels in the body, which is fine because the body is expected to self-regulate pH from a regular diet. Irrespective of the TDS of the water in your home, if the water in your area is tested to have lead or arsenic, you should definitely use an RO water purifier without a TDS adjuster, like the Urban Company native M0 RO water purifier. RO water purifiers do reduce the TDS of water by 90%. Now, if you're someone who prefers the TDS of drinking water not going too low, below 50 ppm, I recommend using this water purifier in areas with TDS above 500 ppm so that the final output TDS can be over 50 ppm, which is in the safe drinking range. Next, let's talk about the size and the design. This native M0 RO water purifier has a 6-liter water tank, large enough for uninterrupted water supply and small enough to fit easily inside our cabinetry if we have made space for it. The design is such that it can either be used as a wall-mounted purifier or a tabletop purifier, giving us flexibility in installation. Like the native M1, it also has a manual water dispensing as opposed to touch-based dispensing in the M2, which makes it convenient if we worry about dispensing water during power cuts. Unlike the native M2, we cannot see the filter life on the app as there is no real-time connectivity on this. But the app does remind us after 2 years when the filters are due for replacement. This native M0 water purifier is available directly from Urban Company or via Amazon and Flipkart, costing around 12,500 at the time of making this video. Serviceability from Urban Company is limited to certain PIN codes, so make sure to check serviceability in your area before ordering. With the 2-year filter replacement period, this native M0 water purifier brings down the ongoing cost of ownership of the water purifier significantly. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 12 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.